High Cheese Media, we're back 4-1 on the season. Hot off the doubleheader against the Braves. This is episode 5 of Citi Slacks, the Citi Field vlog for the Mets. Today we're taking on the Philadelphia Phillies again on a Friday night. Are we gonna no-hit? Oh, we're not taking on the Phillies. You're an idiot, Tommy. What? No, I'm wrong. Tonight, Friday, we're taking on the Mariners. Edwin's old digs. We shipped Kalenic and a bunch of goods off for our boy Edwin and Robbie Cano. Robbie Cano gone. Edwin crushing. So, it's going to be a good game tonight. And Kalenic just got sent down to AAA, so that's good. That would have been fun to see the reaction to fans seeing him in Citi Field for the first time. It would have been bad blood for no reason, which would have been comical. Mad Max. It's Mad Max Day. I wish I could, put blue, one orange eye over my eye, but I'm not good at graphics like that. Let's go. 3-0 and a no-hitter with the black jersey. Piazza, baby.
Nuts for nuts. Cashews.
Future DeGrom. Oh, no. Feel that? If it rains, it ruins my Max Scherzer Friday start day. Oh, God help the weather gods. You Zeus, who handles the weather? You motherfucker better not rain on my parade with Max Scherzer, you son of a It's raining harder. It's raining harder. He looks like he didn't listen. You better not ruin my Mad Max start. Zeus, I still haven't figured out. Is it Zeus? Who controls the weather?
Zeus or Jupiter?
Jupiter? No. If I were getting angry at rain, who would I be angry?
Mother Nature.
Mother Nature. There it is. 7.5. Hammer. 7.5. That's one. Mad Max 7.5. Hammer the over. They didn't do it. I hammered the over. 7.5 strikeouts. 6 strikeouts. How do they always know? They always know. Money talks. Vegas always knows. Great performance from Scherzer. No run support. 1 run on 6 Ks in 7 innings. It's like... But that makes us 4-2 on the year. Which isn't bad. You got room for improvement. I don't know. Hey, let's go Mets go. Let's go Mets go. Hey, next time.